Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find color selector filter in TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effect gallery. Now I'm in trending. Make sure you are also in trending. Then slide up. And remember this image. This is the color selector. Tap on it. And you are done. Pick a color. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on TikTok. If you can't see it here, then you can go to discover and you can search for color selector. Here you will see the video with color selector. Now tap on any video. At the bottom left corner you can see this effect button. Tap there and you will be directed to the effect page, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. Tap the record button to use this effect. Okay, and still if you are not finding this effect here, then you can visit this website. Link to this website you can find below. Here you can see the effect icon. Tap on the effect icon. Now at the bottom of the screen hit the record button, and that's it, you got the color selector filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.